static TV splashing out my brains. I got that mad trick, bang shot, killer pain. We never had it, so I'm gon' live it up today. I fuck with a rabbit in a hat like every day. You wanna have it, you can have it, I'ma take it away. Big vote, smacking the face with a pen cane. They look in the eye, it's so distinct that they're my scope. I drop an eyelid and squint.
Fuck, I hope you cope.
Big bada boom, now I'm all up inside your soul. Neon to the tunes and we light it up like candy gold. I'm on that legendary scout shit. I'm on that legendary scout shit.
Up above is gonna come your way. Just know someday it's gonna be fine. We dance around the afternoon sun. I know one day you're gonna be mine. We drank tequila around the beach in the sands. You just need to say the word I'm in. See, love is gonna come your way. Just know one day your stars will align.
I look at my life and I look at all the things I've done. I look at the dark and the work that light was shone upon. I look at the faces and the ones that I love. All of the cold cases and the ones that floated up above. The ones that stood by me when I really fucked it up. Feel I'ma die cause this life sometimes can get too much. But I'm too hard for that, I'm too smart for that. I know these days gon' trickle through like rain on a sunny day. Feel like I'm speaking to space and know what's up above you. Just a speckle on the floating through the space dust. But I guess it's just space dust, innit?
Up above is gonna come your way. Just know someday it's gonna be fine. We dance around the afternoon sun. I know one day you're gonna be mine. We drank tequila around the beach in the sands. You just need to say the word I'm in. See, love is gonna come your way. Just know one day your stars will align.
We sip tequila on the sand like we chillin'. She like me bad, so she paint me like a villain. We roly-poly on the grass like some tumbleweed. Ain't really moving too fast, but shit, we gonna be so on the sleep. Put your head in my grasp, why don't you back that shit up so I can spank on that ass? And if it lost, slip them other brothers in the past. Cause I'm here to get this shit right, I don't care where we are, yeah. If I get my head right, you can hold tight, maybe spend the night. If I get my head right, you can hold tight, maybe spend the night.
Love is gonna come your way. Just know someday it's gonna be